Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to sharpen images in RawTherapee and make your photos look clearer and more detailed. Whether you're editing a raw file or a regular image, RawTherapee gives you powerful sharpening tools that are easy to use. Let's get started. First, open RawTherapee on your Windows PC or laptop and use the file browser to locate the image you want to edit. Double-click the photo to open it in the editor. Before applying sharpening, zoom into *100% so you can accurately see the details and judge the effect of your adjustments. Now go to the **Detail** tab on the right side of the screen and find the **Sharpening** section. Enable sharpening if it's not already turned on. You'll see several controls that let you improve the sharpness of your image. Start by increasing the *amount slider slowly. As you move the slider, you'll notice edges and fine details becoming clearer. Be careful not to apply too much sharpening, as it can create unwanted halos and make the image look unnatural. Next, adjust the *radius* setting to control how wide the sharpening effect is around edges. A smaller radius usually works better for photos with fine details, while a slightly larger radius can help with softer images. You can also fine-tune the threshold * setting so that sharpening is applied mainly to edges instead of smooth areas, helping to reduce unwanted noise. Take a moment to compare the sharpened image with the original. The goal is to improve clarity while keeping the photo natural. Since RawTherapee uses non-destructive editing, your original file always remains unchanged, so you can experiment freely and modify the settings at any time. Once you're satisfied with the result, save the image or add it to the processing queue, then export it as a JPEG, PNG, or TIFF file, and that's it. You now know how to sharpen images in RawTherapee quickly and easily. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy photo editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.